Hello students, myself Ankita, your English teacher. In today's video, students, we are going to learn 5th chapter from your English Garden workbook. The title of the chapter is Zubin Goes to the Beach. Okay, let's see the first exercise. Circle the correct spelling. Students, here 3 spellings are given. Out of these 3, you have to select the correct spelling. Okay, so see the first one. Which one is the correct one? The first one, CHOOSE, choose. Okay, that is the correct spelling. Second one, kitchen. So here again the first spelling, KITCHEN, kitchen is the correct spelling of kitchen. Okay. Number 3, see the last spelling, WATCH, watch. That is the correct spelling of watch. Okay. Number 4, bottle. So which is the correct spelling? Which is in the middle, BOTTLE, bottle. And the last one is simple. So the spelling which is given on last position, SIMPLE, simple. That is the correct spelling. Okay. Now let's see the next exercise. Here what you have to do? Rewrite these sentences using capital letters, full stop and question mark. Okay, see first one, which fruit do you like? So students, you know that whenever we write any sentence, the first letter should be capital. So when you write the answer W, the first letter of sentence should be capital, and as it is a question, which fruit do you like? It starts with question word which, so you have to put question mark at the end. Fine. Number 2, how long will you take? Again question. So at the end you have to put question mark, and when you start writing, the H should be capital, first letter, right? Then number 3, please be quiet. Here you can find or have idea that it is not a question, so it will end with full stop. And second thing, as you know that first letter should be capital, so you will write P capital. Now see student, number 4. The question is, how did you go there? So here you can have idea easily that the sentence starts with how, question word, right? So it is a question, so it ends with question mark. And as you know that first letter you have to write capital. Number 5th, did you like the film? Did. See students, this question doesn't start with question word like how, when, what. But still it is a question, so it ends with question mark. Fine. And the first letter should be capital. So that is what the changes you have to do when you write the answer. Now the next question. The meaning of a few words are given. Find them in the word grid. See the first one, full of light. So full of light means it is BRIGHT, bright. Second one, good to look at. So it is beautiful, BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. Number 3, someone who does not like to work. Someone who does not like to work means that person is lazy, LAZY. Number 4, someone who does not have much money. So that kind of person is called poor, POOR. Right? Number 5th, with nothing inside. With nothing inside means it is empty, EMPTY. And the next one, something that is not interesting means that is boring, BORING, boring. And number 7, full of juice means it is JUICY, juicy. Number 8, something that makes you laugh. So it is funny, right? Funny things make you laugh. Next exercise, find the small word inside each big word. Okay, see the first example, HEARD, heard. So from there you can get the spelling of ear. Same in a way, let's see here, see, CARRY, carry. So here you can find the spelling of car, right? CAR. Potato. So here you can find the spelling of POT, pot. Clown. So you can find the spelling of LOW, low. driver. So here you can find the spelling of river, R-I-V-E-R. Here from the spelling of 90 you can get the spelling of N-I-N-E, 9. Fair. So here you can find the spelling of A-I-R, air. Brown. So here you can find the spelling of R-O-W, row. From the spelling of funnel you can get the spelling of F-U-N, fun. From the spelling of pond you can get the spelling of O-N, on. Here from the spelling of match you can get the spelling of M-A-T, mat. Summer. Here you can get the spelling of S-U-M, sum. From trunk, R-U-N, run. From pond we have seen on. From braid, read. From street, tree. Here see T-R-E-E, tree. So like this way, from big spelling or word you can get the small words, right? Students, here see the pictures, and as per the picture you have to select a or an article, okay, and write the spelling of that thing. So see here, pencil is given. So a pencil, because it starts with consonant sound, right? Next one is elephant. Elephant starts with vowel sound, so an elephant. Apple starts with vowels, so an apple. Iron starts with vowel sound, so an iron. Book starts with consonant sound, so a book. Shirt, same in a way, starts with consonant sound, so a shirt. Car, again consonant sound starts with, so a car. Onion starts with O, vowel sound, so an onion. Here in this question, students, again you have to use a, an and the article. Okay, so let's see. It was time to leave for the airport. The suitcases were packed and ready. Father had called for dash taxi. Taxi, consonant sound, so a taxi, a article. Mother had packed dash extra bag. Extra, vowel sound, an article. I was carrying dash apple. Again we have seen previously, apple starts with vowel sound, so an apple. Dash book, a book, in my backpack. I would read dash book. See students, here book we have written a article. Why here for the book the? Because we are talking about the same book which we have talked previously, right? So here is the particular book we are talking about, that's why the article. On the plane. See students, the plane which through which they are going. So here the particular plane by which they are going, so the article will come. Mother had the tickets of that particular plane, so the. At the airport, right? I found a trolley. Consonant sound, that's why a article. Here the new sentence starts, so you have to write capital A porter, consonant sound, so a article. Help us check in. I had dash ice cream, vowel sound, so an article. While waiting for the flight, okay, the particular one, that's why the. Father had a cup of coffee. Cup of coffee, so consonant sound, that's why e article. Mother had an egg. You know, e starts with vowel sound, right? So an egg with a cup of tea. Okay, students, this is our last exercise in which you have to first of all see the pictures properly. Okay, in this picture what different names you can see. So what are they doing, you have to see. See the first one, Ria, she is skipping. Uncle Ben reading newspaper. Rohan playing with ball. Meera just swinging. Alok is running. Okay, so let's see the answers now. See the first one. Ria is playing with a skipping rope. Uncle Ben is reading the newspaper. Rohan is playing with a ball. And as per the picture, Meera is playing on the swing, right? Here you can see Meera is playing on the swing. And Alok, where is Alok? Here. You can see Alok is running. So students, here we have completed all the exercises of this chapter. Okay, thank you.